Wave soldering is a prevalent soldering technique employed in the electronic manufacturing process. It involves creating direct contact between the soldering surface of a through-hole board and molten tin at a high temperature to achieve the soldering objective. The molten tin at a high temperature maintains a sloping surface and is manipulated by a specialized apparatus, creating a wave-like phenomenon. This distinctive characteristic gives rise to the name wave soldering. This technique boasts several advantages, including superior soldering quality, rapid execution, and high efficiency. Consequently, it finds widespread application in the field of electronic manufacturing.